Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Style by Sheyi. Today we'll be learning how to draft a basic sleeve block. So now let's get started. I have here the measurement I'm going to use. The sleeve length is 24 inches. I'm going to use 24 inches for the sleeve length. But before I start, I like having my starting point. So I rule the lines. I ruled my line. So now I'm going to rule first this first line here of 1 inch. So from here now I can now start imputing my measurement. Now the sleeve, the pattern is already folded into two, because whenever you're cutting your sleeve you have to fold it into two. So I don't want to go through the whole stress of cutting just one pattern. This way is easier for me. So it's folded already. Then the sleeve length is 24 inches. Okay, the paper is up to 24 already. Now for me to get my cap height, where I'll put my round sleeve, this is the measurement. The measurement is your round bust divided by 12 plus 1. 43 divided by 12 plus 1 equals to 4.5. Your round bust divided by 12 plus 1. So 4.5. I'll now rule it here. This now becomes my cap height. This now becomes my cap height. Your sleeve cap height. So you rule the line. Then my elbow length is 12.5. 12.5. Then I have the full length. So you also rule this 12.5 here. You also rule the 12.5. Okay, sorry. Yeah. So after that, then you can now input your circumference. That's your round sleeve, your round elbow, and your round wrist. So now to calculate your round arm, you get is still your bust 43 divided by 6 plus 1. Now my round elbow is 13. That's divided by 2. That's 6.5, because your paper is folded into two. So whatever thing you're doing has to be divided by 2. Now my wrist is 9. Divided by 2 is 4.5. So now let me add my sewing allowance of 1 inch. My sewing allowance of 1 inch. So now to now connect here to the armhole, because now this is the armhole, to the armhole of the shirt. So we have to create the armhole here. So what you will do, pay attention to this. What you will do, for everybody it is fine. You just measure 4 inches on this part. 4 inches. You can see. Measure 4 inches. Then you divide that 4 into 2. If you divide it into 2, 4 divided by 2 is 2 already. So this is it. So you mark your 2 inches. So on this 4 inches here, you now go down by 1 inch. You go down by 1 inch. So you just connect. You just connect from this 1. You connect to the 2 like this. Then you now connect it back to this, your round arm here. You connect it back. You can use your free hand though. It's not compulsory you must use a curved ruler. So you can see now this is the sewing allowance. So now let's connect our sleeve all together. So let me calculate the armhole now. So now I have armhole of 9.5 here. So it's fine. So let's connect our lines. We're almost done with the sleeve. Sleeve is not too difficult. A basic sleeve is not difficult, but you just have to get all the formulas. So now this is our basic sleeve. Just curve here. Yeah. So what you will now do is just add ½ inch allowance all around for joining it to your blouse, to your gown, or whatever thing you're sewing. You just you just put your 1/2 inch all round on this place. So our sleeve is done. So now this is the length from here to here is the cap height. Then here is the round arm. Okay, now let me do like this so you can. Round arm. Here is the elbow. Then here is the wrist. Then this is the full length. So now we are done with our basic sleeve. It's as simple as ABC. That's the end of the sleeve. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time in my next video. And please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like on my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.